First, you don't ask where we are going. We know where we are going. Khona imillionaire onjani? Kune multi-millionaire onjani?
Bro.
Singakuqasha uzowasha imoto mina. Must-treat kanje. This is not your BMW. Bengizokutshela ukuthi ambobizi imanager utshele ukuthi yeah, you must know your job, man.
Hello you guys and welcome back to the channel. So a video that has gone viral across South Africa has left many people angry after a security guard at a BMW dealership in Kempton Park was allegedly verbally abused by a customer driving a BMW, you guys. According to that video, which I inserted at the beginning, the security guard was simply carrying out his responsibilities when an argument broke out between him and the driver. The footage appears to show the driver speaking disrespectfully to the guard, and many viewers believe the guard was unfairly humiliated and treated while doing his job. What has stood out to many South Africans is the way the security guard handled the whole situation. Instead of responding with insults or aggression, he remained calm and professional despite the confrontation. Now, after the video spread on social media, thousands of people came to the security guard's defense. Many said that the security guards deserve respect because they play an important role in protecting businesses and customers every day. Others argued that no person's job title or financial status gives them the right to belittle another human being. Now, the support did not stop online, you guys. Reports say that members of the public did visit the BMW dealership to show solidarity with the security guard. Many praised him for his professionalism and encouraged him to stay strong despite what happened. Since the incident went viral, the driver involved has reportedly released an apology, a public apology, you guys. However, reactions remain divided. While some people believe everyone deserves a second chance after apologizing, others who feel like the apology only came after the backlash became too big for them to ignore. This incident has also started wider conversation about how people treat workers in customer service, security, retail, and other frontline jobs. Many South Africans say respect to never depend on what someone drives, where they work, or how much money they have. At the end of the day, everyone deserves respect, deserves to be treated with dignity. What do you guys think? Do you believe the public apology is enough, or should there be another consequences? Please leave your thoughts in the comment section down below. If you enjoyed this update, do not forget to like, subscribe to the channel, and of course turn on the notification bell so that you don't
miss out. You don't ask where we are going. We know where we are going. Khona imillionaire onjani? Kune multi-millionaire onjani?
Bro.
Singakuqasha uzowasha imoto mina. Must-treat kanje. This is not your BMW. Bengizokutshela ukuthi ambobizi imanager utshele ukuthi yeah, you must know your job, man.
These niggas, they're crazy, man.
Yeah, BMW.
Where are we going? We are at BMW Kempton Park, man. You know.
They're asking where.
We are the ones who bought the car. When now you just work here, you don't even know.
You'll never own a BMW.
You don't even know what are the departments here.
Yeah,
you want to exercise power.
We are telling you we know where we are going. Call your manager. Tell him that I want to enter you.
People are crazy, man. This nigga said, what if uzochoncha ji?
What if uzochoncha? How much is someone supposed to pay for this car? For any BMW?
Yeah.
For anyone to drive an M2, that person must have 160,000 for a deposit. And that person must earn 116,000 a month, every month. Yeah, man. What's the thing? Ngamala kuzophela 10 hours.
No problem, bro.
Yabona why bafuna ukuthatha ama-foreigner bawakhiphe eSouth Africa? Yabo why bafuna ukukhipha ama-foreigner eSouth Africa? It's because of what you do.
I do what?
The way
How?
you must hold yourself like perfect.
My brother, can I ask you? You know, asking us where you are going.
Yeah.
How did you respond?
What's nice about knowing where I'm going?
Because I have to know, my brother.
I told you where I'm going.
I'm doing my job here.
Your job is to scan, not to ask people where they're going.
And ask, where are you going?
No.
So that tomorrow I can
You
know.
ask them if they do not know where they are going.
So that I
direct
can
them.
direct you.
Yeah, but we told you we know where we are going. You said no, where you are going to steal.
I ask
Do you think we are
my
type
brother,
of people who steal?
my brother, ask you nicely. My
there's
brother,
no nice about
where
that.
are you going? So that I can know.
There's
because-
no nice about that.
You're not working for VW, man. You're working for
You're working
BMW.
for your BMW.
Anyone who enters here is a millionaire, man.
You must know that.
Anyone who
who enters
enters.
there is a millionaire.
Okay.
He's a multi-millionaire.
Okay.
Yeah, you must know. Put it in your brain. Let it sink in your brain.
Know how to talk to them, because those people can hire you tomorrow.
I don't have a problem with that. Who's a million, who's whatever. I don't have a problem.
It means you don't
Also,
understand.
My brother, please respect my job too.
What is your job?
My job
What
is
is
to
the job?
ask you where are you going
No,
to
it's not
send me
true.
inside.
We told you we told you we know where we are going.
And then ask you, my brother, which department? Simple.
Why?
Why?
What
so that
he-
I can know
what
if
does that
when
help
they
you
ask
with?
if there is a car tomorrow.
We told you we know. This is BMW.
Okay, thank you.
You think where we bought this in a spicer shop?